Alright guys, welcome back to GeForce Gaming. And do you work with a lot of PDF? Either you're a student or you work in office and there's a lot of PDF for you to deal with. Alright, and most of the time if you were to edit your PDF or do edit your PDF, you probably have to buy the Adobe Acrobat license in order to edit PDF files. And as you guys have no PDF file, it's basically very hard to edit. Alright, because it's a file type that it cannot be edited unless you're using Adobe Acrobat. Alright, but Adobe Acrobat can be expensive if you are an individual who just want to edit your PDF file. So what are the other alternatives? Alright, so today I'm going to share with you one really great alternative that you guys can use to edit your PDF file with even more features, alright, than Adobe Acrobat, and it is way cheaper. Alright, so the software I'll be talking about will be this software right here. Alright, so this is the Wondershare PDFelement 11. Alright, and why I say this thing is so much better and to edit your PDF files is because this thing also has a built-in AI that can help you do translation, AI summary, alright, and it can help you do research and search. So it can save you so much more time, alright, while you're working on your PDF document, and this thing can edit every PDF file, no matter how clustered the PDF file is, or I can edit everything down to every minute details. And this is my favorite go-to software if I want to edit my PDF files. Alright, so let me just compare the pricing with this, alright, compared to Adobe Acrobat. Alright, Adobe Acrobat in Singapore dollars is about $17.41 per month for the standard version. Alright, so you guys can see, it's about $17.41. Alright, but if I were to use this tool, if you compare the pricing on this, alright, you guys can see this is $79.99 per year. Alright, so if you compare to per month, alright, this is $79.99 US dollars. In Singapore, it's about 85 Sing dollars. So if I were to divide it by 12 months, alright, it's only cost about $7 per month. That is almost half, or even way cheaper than Adobe Acrobat. Alright, just for the price of a Starbucks coffee. So it's very, very cheap in 1 month. Alright, imagine you spending $7 on a Starbucks coffee in 1 day. In 1 month, you can get this for less than $7, and it's very, very worth it. Alright, and it can save you so much more money. Alright, and can do so much more things with this. Alright, so right now I'm going to show you guys the software itself. Alright, the PDFelement. You guys can see for yourself how amazing this thing is to edit PDF and to summarize it using AI. Alright, without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the software itself. Okay, it may look like a lot of things, but I'll go through all of them one by one. Okay, so I have this document right over here. Alright, this is the PDF. Alright, I have a few different PDF over here, as you guys can see. Alright, if I were to open it with Google Chrome, you guys can see. Alright, this is a research paper as in PDF format, so there's no way you can edit them. There's no way to edit them unless you use either Adobe Acrobat, this software right here. Alright, so how do you do that? Alright, so I just open a PDF. For example, if I were to use PDF, alright, maybe I'll just go with the price catalog first. Alright, so you guys can see how you guys can edit PDF on this before we go into the AI details. Alright, so what you can do here, you guys can see this is all over here. Alright, so if you want to edit the PDF, very, very easy. And here, this tab, just click on edit all. Alright, and now you can edit every images. Alright, so you can move the image around. You guys can see I can move the image around. Alright, I can move the image. I can, even a small image, I can move around. Alright, all this text can be edited. You guys can see I can edit every text I want. Alright, all the text all can be edited. I can change the price of this. Alright, and make it $2,000. Alright, I can drag, see. So yeah, so if you created this catalog and you find that you save to PDF, but all of a sudden you realize, oh, I put the price wrong, you can just use this to edit it, and you can edit the price. Oh, sorry, this is not $2.99, this is $29 only. So you guys can edit it straight out of here. Alright, you can edit everything, you can change the QR code. Alright, all this you can move around. Alright, so yeah, it's very, very awesome. Alright, and the image, for the image one, there's also a lot of other things you can do with the image itself. Alright, so you can copy, you can paste the image, you can save the image, you can crop the image as well, and you can also use AI to generate an image. So you find that this image is not right. Alright, you can use AI to generate image. Just give a prompt, how the style you want it to be, and can generate an image for you straight into the PDF. So you don't have to go to Adobe, you don't have to use like Photoshop to like re-edit and such. All right, and you guys can also replace an image. All right, extract text from the image as well. So the image you cannot copy and paste, right? You can use this to extract the text out. All right, and you can use this to translate the image to text as well, and you can also use this, all right, to edit your image. So if you find that this image is okay, it's almost right, but maybe the lighting here is a bit too bright, or the background is a bit too clustered, you can use this to like generative fill it. So that's just to remove this chair, it's not needed. You can use this to enhance, remove background, to erase certain object as well. So you can use this, okay, to do a lot of things, right straight into here. So you don't have to use like a lot of like third-party software just to edit. You don't have to like go to Photoshop, edit it away, and then after save again, and then bring it into here. You can just all do right over here. This is how time saving this thing is. Okay, so let me just talk about the editing part. It's really awesome, right? All right, so there's a lot of other things you can do. You can add a text. You guys can convert, scan files to PDF. All right, then you can edit a scan file. So you scan it from the paper, from your scanner, and bring it into here. You can edit the text that is scanned. That's really crazy. All right, you can crop, you can do a lot of other things. You can highlight, you can add text. All right, so all the thing is basic, very very common, but you guys can change the properties of certain text, the appearance. You guys can for the text wise, you guys can change like the spacing, all this, every single minute details that you prefer it to be, you want it to look like in your brain. All right, it can be edited here. Can change the font size, font type, or can be done over here. Move it around. It's very, very easy and can be edited, and it can save you so much time. All right, so you can do all this at once. All right, let me just bring out another PDF to show you its AI functionality. All right, so for example, if you if you are doing your schoolwork and such, you have to read through a lot of research paper, and this research paper I think is very very long. It's about 11 pages and all filled with words. Right, it's very very time consuming to read. Alright, so you have to read like word by word, just like read here, or another way you can do is use the AI itself to summarize the whole PDF for you. So you guys can see the AI have various different things. Alright, and other thing you can do with this, alright, you can also convert to Word, convert to PowerPoint, and convert to image as well. So this thing also can do that. Alright, but let's go back to the summarized PDF. Alright, so just click on this thing. Alright, and the AI will help to summarize the PDF of what this whole research paper is about. So it can help you greatly improve on your study, and help you save so much time, so you can reach more research paper at once. All right, and if you have a student before, you know that reading research paper for university is really really a headache. All right, so with this, it can help you save so much time, all right, by summarizing it for you. All right, as you guys can see, it can be summarized, and you can see what is this about. All right, and it also can come up with a question that you might want to ask. So you can see what are the main benefits of using mobile devices for language learning. I think this is about using mobile devices. So it's about this topic. So you guys can see it's summarized really really well. You can just pause the video and you want to read what is summarized. All right, and so you can also ask you can ask, you can check the AI about this, all right, and it can also help you generate a mind map, which is really, really cool. Another best feature about this is probably you will go through a word that you are unsure about. All right, let me just move my camera over here so you guys can see, this area much clearer. All right, so if you guys probably you're reading at some, you're just reading through it, you find, what is this word about? Is there any hard vocabulary words that I can use? I don't see any hard vocabulary. Okay, maybe someone not so sure about what is multi-dimensional. So you can just highlight this. All right, let me just highlight this. All right, and you can see bring out this one. So you can use the AI explain. So it will explain what is multi-dimensional about. All right, so you guys can see, so that it can help you study more efficiently and much faster. So it can explain for you as well. Very very cool. All right, and not only that, all right, it also have other features as well. You can see, all right, it can help you grammar check and help you rewrite. All right, it can help you detect if if you are a teacher and this is a research paper that your students send in, or you can also use this to check as well. All right, so you guys can see, if this is even generated by AI, you can use this to translate, which I will show you later on. But this can help you save so much time studying, all right, and and save you so much time, And yeah, so you can have a lot of things with this AI assistant. And another great thing about this AI thing is, all right, I think most of you will also want to do it, is translate. So this is a document about a book, I guess, all right, in French. As you guys can see, as myself, I have no idea how to read French, so I have no idea what this thing is talking about. Right? Imagine if you are like, working in office and you work with so many clients, and the clients, they want to, they send you this, and you have to read like maybe a manual and such, and the manual is in French. How are you going to read it? All right, either you just copy and paste and put the Google Translate, and one by one. It's very, very time consuming, right? So with this AI assistant, all right, it can help you translate the whole thing at once. You don't have to do it one by one. The AI translate, all right, let's go to PDF translator or word translator. PDF translator basically translate the whole PDF, all right? So you can see, you can choose what language you want, and it supports a lot of language. You can see, all right, you can see all the language here. All right, you guys can translate to any language that you know. Alright, so we can choose English and just click on translate. Alright, guys, just wait a while and let it translate, and you guys can see, alright, the translated results. Alright, so the translation has been complete. Alright, let me just move my camera back here. Alright, so we can open PDF. Alright, you guys can see this is translated. See, you can see it is in English right now. You guys can see that's really, really awesome. So this is how easy and effective it is to use this. Alright, just to translate your PDF, and you guys can see, alright, all is in English now. So yeah, this is how the AI helps you with your productivity. Alright, and there's a lot of other things you can do. You can do all the other features. You can add watermark, add background, add image. Alright, you can comment certain parts. Alright, if you want to take note or like highlight certain parts. You can convert, like I said earlier on, you can convert to like different file type like Excel, Word, PPT. All this thing can also do for you. Alright, but I just don't want to keep this video too long because it might be too boring if I would talk about all the other details. But there's so many things that you can do on this. Alright, whatever you want to do on the PDF, this software has it. That's how amazing and how great this software is compared to other PDF editor out there. Alright, you guys can AI read mode, so you can just if you are lazy to read through, you can just like sit back, relax, and put on headphones and let it read through the whole AI for the whole documents for you. Alright, like podcasts and such. Alright, you guys you can see all this over here. You can organize as well. You can see all the page, and you can like rearrange the page, delete certain page, rotate certain page as well. Alright. Whew, there's so many things. Alright, you can have like OCR. Alright, continuously converting scan document to text. Alright, you can do multiple patch PDF as well. Compress, compare. Alright, you can create a form. So if you want like this is like a contract and you want someone to sign it, alright, you guys can do it as well. You can like request digital signature as well. You can put certain like radio buttons, check boxes and such. Alright, you can protect as well, sign document, manage signature, request e-sign. So this is the place where if you're doing your contracts and you want the other party to e-sign it, you can do it over here. You can encrypt it, you can put in watermark so don't want copyright it, right? And you can do a lot with the AI as well. You can also share it normally without like actually chatting with the PDF, or you can like ask related questions to the PDF as well. So you have two different options. Chat with PDF basically means you can chat with the information regarding the PDF only. If you chat with AI, alright, it's basically any general thing that is out there, alright, so you can do a lot of things with this. So yeah, this is a really, really awesome PDF tool. Alright, it's like all-in-one solution to help with your productivity. Alright, and it's been really, really useful with me, and I don't have any issues using this tool. So when I edit it, I save another PDF, I save to PDF again, and it works really, really fine. Alright, so yeah, so this is how amazing this PDF editor is. Alright, for a fraction of the price if you were to pay for like other third-party software out there. So yeah, if you guys want to check out this, alright, Wondershare PDFelement 11, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and start editing your PDF today. And I tell you, this can save you so much more time, and with the time saved, you can do so much more stuff. As you guys have heard before, time is money. So this is, for a small fraction of the price that you pay per month, alright, it can save you so much time, basically can earn you more money. You got it, right? So yeah, so if you guys want something that is very comprehensive, very useful, very easy to use, and has every features you will ever need, alright, in a PDF editor, this is definitely the PDF editor you should go for, alright. So once again, if you guys want to check out this PDFelement Alright, 11 from Wondershare, guys. So check out the first link in the video description down below and go ahead and download it and get it for yourself. Yeah, so that's all for today, guys. Find this video really interesting and really helpful. Let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.